Hello, my name is Galen Griffin. I'm a family practice doctor in Eugene, Oregon, and I'm here at the Aesthetics Medicine Conference in Las Vegas. I was interested in aesthetics medicine as sort of a extenuation of my career and kind of a change in gears, and I'm curious about it, and I wanted to learn more and perhaps develop a practice locally to provide aesthetics in my area. And I came to this conference because I wanted to gain skills and procedures, learn the basic science, feel confident and competent to be able to provide this in a safe manner to my patients. And this course is great, I think, because it offers not only the basic science, hands-on skills, but it also covers some of the business aspects and touches on how to obtain product, how to structure a marketing plan for the aesthetics practice. So I'm happy to be